Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So I'm here to discuss the index level for coming week, and I will discuss the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank level, and along with that, I will discuss some important news also. So stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular update of index levels and stocks buying level for the investment. So let's start with some important news that came today only. That is actually regarding to our budget 2024. Budget is actually coming on July 23. Yes, Madam Nirmala Sitharaman is going to table the budget on 23rd of July of this year 2024. So that will be very important for us to know what all coming up in our new budget, which is as last February the government has announced the budget. That was इनफॉर्मल बजट जो कि जब गवर्नमेंट जाने वाली होती है तब अनाउंस करती है. तो दैट इज नॉट एक्चुअली हम कह सकते हैं ऑफिशियल बजट उतना होता है, बिकॉज उसमें गवर्नमेंट कैन नॉट अलाउड टू टेक बिग डिसीजंस. तो नाउ दिस बजट is actually going to show us the real picture for the next financial year. Is actually going to show us the real picture of the budget for the financial year of 24-25. So, as you all know, the coalition government has taken charge. They will announce their budget according to their plan and their focus, जो कि वो डेवलपमेंट में करना चाहते हैं. जैसे कि वी कैन से लाइक what I see, they are more focusing on renewable energy, power sector, railway sector, and yes, EV is more important in next 23rd of July. So we will wait for that, and according to that I will make the video also कि उसमें कौन कौन से स्टॉक इम्पोर्टेंट हो सकते हैं फॉर द बजट. सो नाउ लेट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट लेट्स डिस्कस द निफ्टी 50 चार्ट. So now I have come to the chart, and we can see what was happening in last week, or if we see every single day, yes, every single day Nifty 50 is touching its new high. From here, this was not the all time high, this was all time high, which is actually 23,670 around. And after that, from this candle, now from here it has started taking every single day, making the new all time high, touching the new highs. And from here every single day, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, even since last 8 day, it was only touching all time high, and it was totally uptrend. And from here it has taken resistance. So it was continuously in uptrend, and yes, it was showing very very good move. But here last Friday it has taken resistance, and from here it has fallen and broken this trend line. I have drawn this trend line to understand from here this uptrend was going on, and from here it has broken this trend line and came down and taken the resistance. Resistance was actually 24,400 around, yes, and that was all time high also. And from here it has broken, and now it is showing, but it has made the green candle, which is also showing positive sign. So it may not go in this direction and may take reversal from here and break this trend line and this resistance line and go up. It may possible. And above this, that above this level 25,000 is on the chart. ये this level, even my last video I have given this level, but अभी इसने 24,400 का level नहीं तोड़ा, तो it has not broken this level. So अभी के लिए I will take this as a strong resistance. May take resistance here again and may fall, because अभी इसका RSI now it has become 72 plus. RSI has become 72, which is showing this chart, this Nifty 50 is in overbought zone, is coming in the overbought zone. The overbought zone say it may take some consolidation, and from here it will again start the journey, up journey. So support में अगर support we will discuss the support, तो support is, this support is very very strong because earlier it has taken the resistance here, and that was that 23,400. 23,400 was very strong support, and here also it has taken support. So this level will be crucial. And this, before that, as I discussed, one two level also more level, as I discussed some more levels also, तो 20 EMA का भी एक बहुत ही strong support होगा. After breaking this it will come to this level. So 20 EMA का जो support है 23,800 around. If Nifty 50 is breaking this, it will reach to 23,400. So this trading zone is very important for the next week, as I'm talking about short term only. So I'm not going beyond these level because this resistance is important and this support is very important. This support is actually really far away. It market is taking downside, then it will come to this side. Otherwise, ये resistance अगर break हो गया, then again one new journey will start from here, and this new breakout will happen, and that 25,000 is not far away. So for the next week, the Nifty 50 level can be support 23,400 and resistance 24,400, and this 1,000 point का जो area है trading zone will be very important for the Nifty 50 for the next week, as this month is also very important because of the budget. Now I will discuss the Nifty Bank. So now I have come to the Nifty Bank chart, and Nifty Bank chart is not that good as Nifty 50, because Nifty 50 तो अपने ऑल टाइम हाई पे है, था, उसने भी रेजिस्टेंस लिया, बट इट इज स्टिल इन अ ओवर मीन्स नॉट इन अ डेंजर जोन, मतलब अभी ओवर बॉट जोन में है, बट अभी वो डाउन साइड उसने नहीं लिया है. बट इन निफ्टी बैंक it has taking the move to downside, and see here it has taken resistance here which is 53,350 around, and from here it has given the gap down opening, and from gap down opening it is showing not very good uh, candle की बॉडी जो है, दैट इज नॉट वेरी गुड. सो ये दिस इज एक्चुअली शोइंग कि it may fall little more, as it is going to reach first 20 EMA, which is actually the level is 51,700 around 51,700, and after 51,700 it will definitely reach to the important level which is 51,200. 51,200 I feel now for the next week is very very strong support. Nifty bank is not going to fall beyond that, means going not going to fall or break this level in, at least in next week. बजट में क्या होता है दैट आई डोंट नो, बजट के टाइम पे वी विल डिस्कस, बट यस दिस लेवल इज वेरी स्ट्रांग. If any big news is not coming, Nifty Bank is not going to break this level, this support. So this two level is very important. First support is 51,700 here, and then next 51,700, and then the next support is 51,200, and if we take resistance is 53,350. As I already said that Nifty Bank is not showing that good that good picture of the chart as the Nifty 50 is showing. So Nifty 50 is much better than Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank we have to watch in next week level. I have told, and yes, this Nifty Bank level for next week can be support 51,200 and resistance 53,350, which is actually all time high. And yes, बीच में एक जो level है, keep that level also in your mind, which is 51,700. So this was a short picture of stock market index levels. I will I will repeat. I will repeat the level again. Nifty 50 level support 23,400, resistance 24,400, and Nifty bank level support 51,200 and resistance 53,358, which is exactly the all-time high of the Nifty bank. So, as important news, I already discussed that the budget is going to come on July 23rd. So, accordingly, I will make some video for good sector. Sector name I already just discussed in this beginning, that the railway sector, renewable energy, uh, railway sector, renewable energy, and green energy, and power sector, and EVs, and yes, infrastructure is also very important because government is going to focus on these sector. This is actually very important sector for the government. Government is focusing on these sectors. So please keep these sectors and related stock in your mind, and like and share the video. If you have any question regarding any stock, you can comment me in comment box below, or you can DM me also on Instagram and Twitter, and ID is on your screen. And like and share the video and subscribe the channel for regular update of the Nifty and index levels and stock buying level for the investment. And signing off.